Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Midnight Customs. So I'm working on a prototype. This is just a small rendition for a fire pit. The plan is to have a crescent moon or half moon shaped fire pit. So let me show you what we got going on here. So this is a 16 gauge sheet metal piece, and what I did was I made my pattern, cut that out, and I have a stencil for this now, which is also a piece of 16 gauge. This is the back cross section, and as you can see, it's not perfect. I don't have a slip roller or an English wheel. I'm just using my knee and a bench vise to get a radius curve and some pipe and try and get it bent over. So any of you that have ever worked with sheet metal, you know the wider the piece, the harder it is to bend, especially by hand. So the gaps aren't ideal, but we're using 035 flux core wire at, what are we doing here? 130 amps. So with a fair amount of stick out on the torch. So that way, as soon as you pull the trigger, you let it go as soon as it arcs, and then it gives it the burn back up the wire, kind of pulls some of the heat out. But this is all spot weld or tack weld, whatever. That's all 035 flux core. And is it perfect? No. Am I a professional? No. Do I care? Also no. At least not of what people think. But anyway, regardless of that, this is not going to be the actual product. I'm just testing this out to see how I can make this happen, because I'm actually going to build it out of a sheet of 12 gauge steel. So that's the plan. And the final product's dimensions are going to be 3 feet tall by 2 feet deep. And then I'm not sure what I want the cross section to be, but it's something that's going to be pretty sweet. It'll be a joint venture between me and the missus. So she really wants this to happen, and so we'll probably get her in some of the videos on the build. But this is what we're working on. I'm still waiting on some materials to finish the DIY mechanics creeper. It's in pieces, it's all painted. But my shipment of custom vinyl that I ordered for the backrest is delayed in Colorado currently. So I live in the Pacific Northwest, so I gotta wait till Tuesday, and then get a block of foam and get her all gussied up and put on there, and I will show you the finished product on that coming up probably later in the week. So, but this crescent moon fire pit deal, like I said, this one's just a mock-up. This is me figuring things out before I get into the actual material that I'm going to use. So we'll show you how that turns out, and I'll show you how this little model shows out, or prototype, what have you. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Drop me a comment. Especially if you have any tips or advice for hand rolling sheet metal. Something that might work a little better than using my knee, and also allow me to get a nice softer curve. I don't really want to go out and buy a slip roller at the moment. I got something else in the works as far as tooling goes. So yeah, if you got any advice, let me know. We appreciate you. Midnight Customs, thank you.